So hello, this is Ripon Uchan Chapel from wpthemehat once again, and in today's episode we will have a look on how we can make our solar technology and renewable energy website. So basically, it's solar energy WordPress website that you can make through this template that we are using for our website today. So we will have a preview look on this theme first, and we'll check what is the opportunity that this is giving for us. So it is going with the intro sale yet with $39, and it is having the layer slider within, which is premium $66, and it is completely mobile friendly, and it is having 4 demos that you will going to like. And here's they have used Elementor, they have used header and footer builder of their own. It is perfect for also for vlogging, and they are having quite beautiful inner pages as well, with the about us page, service page, and awards page, and team details, then project details, blog details. You can check it out. You can sell your products through that also, with shop details, cart and checkout, beautiful pages through that. And there is also contact page, pricing plan page, my account, and 404 page as well. And it is built with the Elementor, so it is super drag and drop friendly, so you can use it. So we will have a preview look now, and it is having some changes log. If some error comes, so they are there to help you as well. So you can see the change log of theirs also now. And if I preview it, then this is the first home. As you can see here, it is having a beautiful of canvas as well, with a beautiful header, then a slider with layer slider, and you can see the sections as well here. It is having their project also, that how we can manage this project. And they are also having a project details page. As you can see, if I open it in a new tab, then you can see that you can make sure that the upcoming project is here. So this is the project details page, as you can see, and you can see the the previous project or the latest case studies that this company has done so far. So you can set that yours too. And this is the blog sections here. So if you want to write blog about your company, so you can also do that. And if I go for the like shop page, if I go for it, there is also home 2 3 4, you can check that out too. And we are having service details page as well, and blog details page as well. We are, as I said, the other pages. So if I have a look on shop page, then here's it is beautiful. And if I click on the add to cart button, then as you can see, the view cart button already have come. And now if I go to the cart page, and I can go to the checkout page as well, as you can see. So we will try to make the same things into our website. Like I have already set up my WordPress here. As you can see, this is the default WordPress, as you can see here. Now after downloading this theme, you will get a zip file, like Energiso final file. You need to extract this file first. So if I extract it, then inside that I will get 4 folders: demo data, documentation, Energiso, and Energiso child. So this is the main file, that energiso.zip, that I need to upload on my website. So if I go, you will see this is the basic WordPress installation only. And if you will go on the dashboard first. If you log in, then you need to go here with appearance, then themes. Then you need to click on add new theme and upload theme. You can drag and drop this theme that you have downloaded. So you need to drag and drop here and click on install now. After completing the installation, you need to click on the activate button. After activating the theme, a prompt will come that you need to install some necessary plugins that are recommended by this WordPress theme. So you will click on begin installing plugin, and you will select the plugins that are needed to be installed. So you will click on the install button and click on the apply. And you need to again go to the return to required plugin installer again, and you need to activate all the plugins that is recommended by this theme. So I'll select all the plugins that is recommended by this theme. So I'll select all the plugins and click on the activate, then click on apply button. Okay, it's saying one of the plugin is invalid. You don't need to be worried. You just click on the activate button is separately. Then your plugins will be activated. The Elementor prompt has come, so I'll just cross it. And again, I need to activate the plugin because one of the plugin was not activated. So I will click on begin activating plugin again, and I will click on the activate button here. And there are some plugins that need to be updated, so you can do that also. And there is another one that also need to activate. So I will select this tiny wishlist plugin. So it's just activating things, not a not a major things now. So you can also decide that okay, I don't want to use the WooCommerce part, so these WooCommerce plugins don't need to be installed and activated. So it's your decisions there. So I'll update these plugins also. So I'll select all the plugins and click on the update. Then it will take a few minutes, take a few moments to get the update itself. Till then, wait. The update is very important, and in my case this plugin was before this plugin was installed but was not updated. That's why this issue was coming now. So I'll go to return to the dashboard again, and now I can check the initial look of this website, that how it is looking right now. So if I give a refresh, then you will see the initial look of this of our website. Now there is one work required, that we need to import the demo data, and after completing the demo data process, we will check how we can manage the other stuff as well. So if I go here in appearance, then import demo data, and before that please make sure that you are having the post max size, the execution time, that is in standard level, not in low level. If it's low level, then demo import will fail. So after that we will go here in import demo data, then click on the import demo data and continue and import. Then it will start importing the demo content for ourselves. So it will take some time. Till then please wait. So after few minutes our demo import will be completed like this. If it's not completed, then please make sure that you have followed my previous instruction, that is to set your max execution time a little bit more, then your post max size, then the time limit is set more than you expected, that is set there. So now I will check on our website that how is it is looking. This was the first look, and if I give a refresh now, then boom, all of the home pages, if I go now here, it will be here, and the service page as well. And if I go to the shop page, you see the URL of the shop page has been changed, because by default it was creating one, and now it has created another one. That's why the URL of the link that has been changed. So if I go to the shop page here, then we can see our shop page, as you can see here in our shop page. And some things are broken here in add to wish list button, as you can see. So we'll fix that too. So if I go here, you will see that the social icon is missed here. Then the useful services, the link is also missed here. So we'll check that how we can fix that. So after completing the demo import, you need to check that your website is completely working or not. If it's not, then please feel free to contact us. I will check and tell you what to do next. And you can see the icon is very big here, so we'll have a look on that also. In the home tree as well, if I go, Then most of the things are fine, only social icons is a little bit big there. And if I go to the home for here, then you will see the beautiful home pages as well here. Now the things you need to do after completing the demo import to fix some errors. So first of all, we need to go on settings, then on the permalinks. Then you will see it on day and name. You need to make sure that it is on post name and click on save changes button. And in the Elementor, you need to go on settings. Then check these two check boxes and click on save changes. And in the features tabs, you need to go. Then in here, you will see inline font icons. You need to select that inactive and click on save changes. Now if I go and refresh here, you see the social icon has been fixed already. If you go to the home page, this icon was too big. If I give a refresh now, then that also has been fixed here. Okay. And the another thing in the shop page, that this add to wish list button, that was not in perfect position. So this is coming here. We need to fix this as well. So for fixing that, we are using a plugin that is called the wishlist plugin. So we need to set up this wishlist plugin. And if you don't want to do that, then we are having an export import settings here. And in here we need to import our settings, that is we are recommending. So if I go to the demo data file here and extract it, inside the demo data you will find this file TI WooCommerce wishlist setting. So I will just click on choose file, then I will go here and choose the file as well and click on the open button and click on import. And I need to select the wishlist page as well. So I'll select the wishlist page and click on save button. Now if I go to my shop page here and give a refresh, then you will see that button is not exist anymore. It has successfully fixed. So this way we can fix all of the errors that we are having in our website here. This is not actually an error. This is a customization things that you need to do after install the demo data. So now it's time to edit our content here. So for editing the content, we will see in this part as well. We will see the header builder and the footer builder as well. Then we will see how we can edit the content of this slider, then this content, how we can edit all of these things. And in the service page, if I go, then you will see the breadcrumb part, or in the blog page. If I go to the blog page, then you will see the the breadcrumb page as well. So we'll see how we can change these things, how we can make the posts as well. So we'll have a look on the header builder first. So for making changes in the header builder, we are using two type of things. One is global header and one is specific page header. So global header means in blog page, like blog page, about us page, about us page, and in awards page or in team page, the one that is having a breadcrumb as well. So this one is recognized as a global page, as I can say, or you can say. So for changing this this part of the header, you will need to hover on this edit with Elementor. Then you will see the global a header that is called already as a global header. Where you will find it? You will find it in Energiso builder. Then you will see the header builder, and then you can see global header, home 2, home header 3, then header 4 as well. So if I want to edit the global header, I will need to click on edit with Elementor, and if I make any kind of changes, these changes will affect on this blog page, this about us page, this award page, in the team page as well as contact page or shop page as well. So if I make any kind of changes in this page, in this header, if I make any changes, like I want to change the logo from here. So if I want to change the logo, then I will go to the media library, and suppose I just select this shape for the logo, as you can see. Then I will click on publish. Now if I give a refresh here, then you will see the changes in here. Suppose you want to change this text here. So if you want to change, you can change it from here as well, as you can see, and click on the publish button as well. And if I go here, then you will see the changes as well here. If you want to change the social icon, so you need to click on here, and you can change the icon as well, like you can change it to this. As you can see, you can change the text also. So for changing the text, you need to go there and write some of your text and click on the publish button. Suppose you want to modify your menu a little bit, you want to change the color, menu color, so you can set the menu color here. Now you want to change the menu hover color to red, then your color will be in red, and click on the publish button will make those changes in your website as well. As this one is using the global header, so that impact will be here as well if we have a look. So it has also changed in our home page as well. Now I will change the logo into the previous one. So I will change it to the logo, otherwise it's not looking that good now. So I'll change white logo, no, black logo. So I'll change it to black logo and click on the publish button. So if I give a refresh now, then the global header it will affect in all of your global pages. Now suppose this is for the global header. Now suppose you want to change this into the global footer as well. So you need to hover on that to check if there is any global footer is there or not. So if there is any global footer, then you will need to click there and click on, it will go to the Elementor to edit your global footer as well. If I go to the about us page, and you will see that useful services, the link is not here. So I'll set the link for you guys. So if I go here, and you can see the navigation menu, you just need to select the menu that useful pages here, then the pages will be here, and you need to click on the publish button. Then if I give a refresh, then this useful services will be here as well. You want to change your copyright text from here, so you can do that also. You need to go to the text page because the colors and the URL is already there, so that's why. So suppose you want to change the Bhikru text to themehat, so I'll change it to themehat. And you want to change the URL as well, so you can change the URL from here. You can see the URL, just need to change it. I will set it to black, so you can understand that okay, it is working perfectly, and you can have a look on the URL. So if I publish it now and give a refresh here, then those changes will be applied in your website perfectly. Now we have seen how we can manage our global header and footer. Now we'll check that how we can apply specific header and footer for a specific page. Suppose if we go to the home page too, I will remove all of this from here now. Suppose in home 2, the header is completely different from the other one that we have edited, and the footer is the same one, na? So if I go to the home 3 to check the different header and different footer, so this one is different header, this one is also different footer. So we'll make changes on this header and footer. First of all, you need to check with if you hover on edit with Elementor, that which post is coming here from home 1 and the header 3. So home 1 is responsible for the footer and header 3 is this one, the header. So you can make changes on these two posts for the header and the footer, but if you make changes, then why this header is set as here in the home 3, why it is set? So For investing that, you need to click on here with edit with Elementor. I'll remove this one to here. So we are editing the home tree, and we will able to edit the header from this place as well. So if you hover, then you will see the edit post button as well. You will see the edit post button as well if you go for a specific header as well. But where this is set it from? This is set it from, if you click on the settings, page settings, then this is you will have two options here, header options and the footer options. So in the header options, we have set it that this will come from the header builder and the header name will be header 3. If I set the to global header, then global header will applied here. If I set to header 4, then that will be also applied here. So if I set it to header 4 and again click on publish, then if I give a refresh, you will see the magic that the header fold has been applied successfully for the home tree. As you can see, the header has been changed here. Now I want to change this this header color or anything that you want. So I'll click on edit post. If I click on the edit post button here, then I will get the options to make changes here. As you can see, I can change the logo from here again, and I can change the menus, colors, and the stuff and the padding as well. I can I can delete the search from here. So if I right click and delete it, then it will be deleted. Suppose I don't want a cart page here, so I can delete it as well and publish here. So these changes will be made here. Now suppose you want to edit the footer part, so you need to just click on the footer, this edit post, and you will be redirected to edit this footer as well. Suppose you want to edit the social icon from here, you want to remove the LinkedIn and want to edit the Pinterest here. So I'll add a Pinterest icon here. So Pinterest, and click on insert, as you can see, and give the pinterest.com URL. And in the useful services, I will just need to select the useful link here as well to make sure that it is working perfectly, and click on the publish button. Now suppose you want to go back to here in this page, so you just need to click on edit page, then you will be redirected to edit your content on the home page as well. So hope that you have learned how you can manage your header and footer part as well. Now we'll have a look on a specific topic for breadcrumb area. So if I go to the blog page, then you will see the breadcrumb area, this one, the blog, and this one is the breadcrumb area. Now you want to hide in this, suppose you want to hide this part or this part, or you want to hide the service page breadcrumb area, then how to do? We are having a options in Energiso options. Then you need to go to the page. Then in the page you will see the title color, then the background. So you want to change the background color of this one. So for making changes, you will have options like this, and from here you can upload your images. So if I choose a big images, this one, and click on save and make on save changes, then if I give a refresh here or go to another page like service details page, then you see that that changes have been made here successfully, as you can see. So if I give a refresh here, that one will be also implemented here, as you can see. This one is for global one, like you will have these options all over your website. But like if you want to change it on your specific page, like want to edit it that on this service page, so you need to go on here with edit page. You need to click on here, and you will get an options like this page meta, and you have to make sure that the CMB2 plugin is installed and activated, otherwise it will not work. So you are having that page breadcrumb area will show or hide. So I can select the option to hide. If I save it now and if I view the page, then you will see the magic. Here's the breadcrumb area is completely hidden. If I go to the service details page here, this one is still working because this is the setting for the specific page. Now if you want to show here another image like global settings to page settings, now we'll have the options to breadcrumb upload and breadcrumb image. So if you set another breadcrumb image here, I need a bigger image to choose, so I will choose this one and use this file, and the page title setting will be, all the things will be default, and click on the save button. And if I give a refresh here, then you will see the changes as well here. So by this way you can upload your global images for the breadcrumb area, and as select the specific page breadcrumb area as well. Now we will have a look at how we can edit our homepage slider. Okay. So for editing the homepage slider, we will go on here again with edit with Elementor. I will open it in a new tab, and the preview changes I will check it here that okay the changes is coming or not. Now in here for editing with Elementor, you can enable the structure part, and if you click on this part, then it will come with like this with the layer slider. So you can change the layer slider from here as well. You can open the project editor to edit the project. As the welcoming screen was not there, that's why it is coming. So you need to cross again and click on open project editor again. So if you open it, then the interface of the slider editor will come. Now if you want to change this image like the bulb image, if you click on that, then the upload image will come. You need to just click on here and you need to choose the different image if you want to insert here. Okay, then if you select here with the shape image behind of the bulb image, now if you want to set that, then you just need to click here again and select the image that you want to set of that shape image. Suppose you want to change the title text from here, so you will get the options as well. So by this way you can edit the slider as well. If you click on the publish button and give the cross, then that implementation will be here as well. Now this section is hide here. This is the important section as well. If you want, you can use that by just go to the advanced, then on the responsive view, then as you can see this is a hidden sections that you can use for your website. So if I unhide this, then these sections will be available for your website also. So if you don't want to use that, you can hide it also. And from here in this wine part like this, so you can set the bar width, you can set edit your text as well, you can change the color of the title to red, you can change the circle typography as well. So this way you can edit your content. I will just remove this part as well, and you are having some professional services with the repeater field. You can upload the images, icons, and set the content here. So it's depend on your mode that how you want to set it. We are having a lot of options for this. You just need to know how to drag and drop and edit all these things. Here is the pricing package that you can edit also. So here is the icon, the title, the descriptions as well, then the phone numbers area, then the button text, then the background image that we are hovering on. So you can change each and everything of this pricing package as well. Now for the blog post, you need to go here on the post area, And in the post area we are already having 4 demo posts. You can edit this post from here. As you can see, suppose you want to add more images here, so you can enable the navigator here as well, or you can select the columns. So you can select the layout also. Now you want to add images here, so you can add some image and you can upload from your computer, or you can go to the media library and you can have some images there as well. Or you can convert these columns into 3. Okay, so you can convert into group, then the columns, then you can select the number of columns that you want to set. So if you select 3, then another options will come. Then you can again upload some image, or you can add your site logo here as well. Okay, so you can upload as you want. So by this way you can just modify your blog post and click on the save button. So this way you can edit your post. You can add the categories, the tags, and you can check the layer slider options for your blog post as well. So now we will check that you can edit all of your website content. Now you can edit the service as well. There is nothing complexion in this. You can there is one things that need to be mentioned in the contact page. So we'll go to the contact page and we'll see this contact form, that how we can edit this contact form, how we can edit. This is a map, and we are having a CTA file as well here. So we'll check how we can edit this contact form for our website. If I click on here with edit with Elementor button and remove this one, then I will get the options to edit this form as well. If I click on here, then I will see a shortcode, and that shortcode is for contact form 7 and the ID is 76. Title is contact form 1. Now what I need to do, I need to go here in the contact page, and the ID, that is important. The ID is 76. Okay. So the ID has been changed due to some problem. Now the ID generation process of the WordPress. So I need to check that which one is our one. I need to go here and you can see this one is the default one of the contact form 7. So this one is not our one. The second one, that is our one form to edit. As you can see that we have built here. Now the ID is wrong here, that is also working due to the demo import process. Now if I copy it here again and paste it here, that will also work as same as this one. Now suppose I want to add another field for the drop down menu here. Okay, then like if I select on the drop down menu and make sure this is a required field, and I will give the options for website drop down to website development. For each drop down list you need to enter and make into a new line. UI design, then WordPress development. Then I can give some class to form control to check if our form control is processing there or not. So I'll copy it and in here I will paste it first. Then from the label text I will copy this part and paste it here, and I will change the contact number to select your option. Okay, select your options, and the end of this part will be with a div. Now if I save here and if I publish it again and preview it, then you will see it. Now this is coming as a 6, column 6. Now I want to make it full width. So for that, this column MD6 need to transfer into 12 and click on save. Now if I give a refresh here, then you can see the options as well. If you want to check this contact form tutorial as well, you can check my playlist to check how to use the contact form disparately. So you can follow my other tutorial as well. So by this way, you can edit the contact form as well. If you need to know anything more, like if you want to, there is an interesting thing that for editing the map, you need to go here in these places. Otherwise, the map you can't edit that. Now you need to go here and click on here. Then the map option will come. You can set the zoom level here, and you can set the height as well, or you can reduce the height as well. So you need to extract the structure, otherwise you will not find the options how to edit the map. Then you need to click on the publish button again. So this way you can edit your all the things that is necessary here. I hope that you know how to edit the WooCommerce product, and we are having beautiful options here for the Energiso options. You are having the options to choose the layout as well. You can set the product column, you can set the product per page as well, you can set the product single sidebar. You need to check all these options here, and we are having other option as well, like for the social options, for the footer as well. And in the for setting the global footer, you need to go here. I forgot to tell you that how the global footer is coming now. So for setting the global footer, you need to go here. You can set the home 4 or home 1, or for the header, you can go here for global header or global footer. Na? So by this way, you just can set up your global header, global footer from here. So thank you very much. See you in our next episode.